JagranJosh.com brings to you expert advice in everything related to CBSE curriculum, CBSE board exams, preparation and assessments. Mr. Bhaskar Ganti is the content consultant for CBSE section of JagranJosh.com, selection committee member for recommending national or CBSE awards, the president of Indian Medal Awardee, principal and secretary of Puran Chandra Vidya Niketan, Kanpur, 2003 onwards.
See, the way of addressing this problem is make your own notes during the time nearer to the examination. In fact, the so-called revision should be such that at least 3 months before the examination, you should start making short notes of every subject that you want. Recall also is a memory training. Memory can be trained, so you can train your recall. Again, whether your brain is based more on photographic memory or which would be helpful to you in presenting the diagrams and graphs and all that, or memory based on facts, factual memories, or memory based on interpretation. Obviously, you will need to develop all these three better. It would be very useful that every time you revise, you also revise with a need to recall at the same time. So once you prepare something, you revise something, you close the book and then start recalling those and put on a piece of paper. First, you may not remember everything, but slowly you will find that you have got those. Now, when you are writing an answer, obviously you are writing your best answer first. Your best answer is actually coming from your best recall of the answer. It's not your best answer, indirectly it is your best recall. So towards somewhere where you have come to the questions you are not able to remember, sit calm, see the question once again, try to connect your recall with that. Something will come about either from the memory, photographic memory or the factual memory or interpretative memory. From there you can pull the things on. It is like a string after which you can get a lot of things to talk.